Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, I'll show you on how you can stack objects in Bambu Studio. Now by default, if we select an object in Bambu Studio and do something like the move function, unfortunately, it automatically falls back down, enabling us to stack objects. Now to do this, it's quite simple. Just press Shift on your keyboard, and then you want to highlight your objects that you want to stack together. From there, you can then right click on your models, and then inside this page, you then want to select the assemble button. So in here, in my case, it's going to be the merge button. Now, after merging them together, they will then appear on the object section. Just click on the cube or the shape that you want to merge together. So in my case, I'm going to click on the cube button right here because I want to stack this above my base model. So I could just click on the move function in here. Of course, we can then adjust this to wherever we want to. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.